make emo cooker 3000 activated. Whoa. Boa Christmas. Bro, viene a copiar. Activate emo care 3000. Let's go, let's go. Brush. Bro, agora. Caralho, explodiu monkey. Bro, what is let's go for the emo cooker. So bad. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. No, 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 no. Una monte, one. What? Emo Coca 3000. Let me just cook these real quick. Let me cook them. What's time we cook them in area? It's time to cook them in large. Or ridge or aerial again. Large. We cooking them. Bro. I know you hiding in there. Come on. Dash. Okay, there's a bathroom stall. Let's cook. Silent cooking. Oh, he's cooking the emos too. I am both a Sigma. Whoa. What type of opponents you got over here? You got the emo cookers? Or you got the squad? Hey, bro. Bruh. So, if anyone teabags me, they get them cooked next round. Gang. Gangbang. Now, Rana, get him. Sick him. Go. The emo cooker's back at it. There you get it. What did he use bag here? No. It's above good to kill you too, because even if you're not the Emon, Just give him 2 points. My African bro. I'm a noob now. I'm a noob now. Nah, bro. Bruh, let's go. I have to give him 2 points. Now, and after that, we cook and then we cook. Let's give him 2 points, bro. Let's give him 2 points. Bro, give him 2 points. Like, seriously. I don't care. I'm cooking them still. You don't deserve it. I know. Cooking skills. Oh, wow. Wait. This guy's actually cooking the emo. Cooking it. But that like spike actually got my cheeks. Oh no, we're good. We're so bad at this game. Please don't kill me. Don't get gun back. We cooking. Want to play hide and seek? Sigma Papi! My favorite buddy to cook the emos with. Oh god. Okay, I hate this guy because he camps too much. Please cook. Cook, emo cooking breathing. GG, bro. GG. Hey, yo, what? Huh? I'm going to check my internet. Excuses. I'm going with pizza this time because we have to cook 2 emos now. I'm going to Ridge, my least favorite map. Fine, of course. No. Hey, oh, free save Palestine. No. I'm gonna give them 1 more point. I swear if I die for no reason, they cooked. I'm cooking them. Cook. Let's put them on the frying pan. Oof, broken. My cooking buddy is actually good at cooking, bro. Cooking briefing. Let's cook this guy. Cook them emos. Cooking. But please don't die. He killed the Save Palestine. Sorry, I just had to take a quick gassy. Gassy. Let's cook. No. Hey. Cooked. Why did I shoot her again? Cause black is my the element of cooking. Let's play another game. Emo spotted. Where the emo go? Yeah, emo. Just got the emo. 1v1. Oh my boy, Sigma Papi, bro. Let's go, Sigma Papi. My boy. Oh, I couldn't guess. Emo. Emo spotted. Prototype, because it's my favorite map and it has buffs. And by buffs I mean annoying buffs, but large. Ooh, guy kicked. Shouty. Brrr. I'm gonna cut that cut. Let's cut this guy. 3, 2, 1. I'm departing. I'm not camper anymore. Check. I'm done giving my points. He's expecting me. Vanessa. Kaka. This is one problem with Sigma Papi. He has bad Wi-Fi. I mean, look at my boy. He like given something I can't say. Look at setting. I think we're cooked. And okay, this is my new home. I'm staying here until like you win. Got it. Shawty. Please don't die. Huh? I need to review that after I finish recording. I'm finna actually cooked. This is Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's reference. I'm keeping an eye on that place because that's where my buddy Sigma Papi died. Should I rush him? Bruh. The round expired. I don't even know what she was. Hi guys, welcome to my new bedroom, and I'm staying here until we win. That's my new house now. That's my new bedroom. Yeah, that's my new bedroom. El Pedro. Okay. Someone coming through there, I know. Look, someone's coming. Hey! My Wi-Fi is on the other side of my line. Well, first of all, seeing the Sigma Papi. Let's try 1v1 skip. Let's go to the bacon squad. Pizza! You're on my side. Can we do prototype? I will draw your curves until you do. Yes, finally. So, starting that. Yes, sir. Huh? Rules of conflict. Owen. They both went straight up. I'm cooked. Rules of conflict. Huh? He took my... eyes hurt now. Pizza or vanilla? Pizza or vanilla? Pizza. Vanilla. What? I see vanilla. Of conflict are conflicting on my conflict. Oh, conflict. Okay, I guess that's fair. I mean, yeah, I guess they both went straight up. No, pizza went straight up. Clicks of conflict. The power of clicks of conflict. Can I have a 1v1 without campings? I mean, yeah. Clicks of conflict. Oh. I don't understand how knives have big, huge. Bruh. I was about to cook a tea bag me. Again. I knew it. Papir. My Sigma papir. Sigma papir. My Sigma purple. Papir. My Sigma purple. Pizza. Emos spotted. Time to cook them. Oh, ow. No. When I get the first point, I know I'm winning. I mean, cooked. Cooked. That's cooked salmon. Do. I'm okay cooking. My fit box is way too big, and I agree with that. I don't give a bruh. I think I'm done talking. Probably help me focus. Clicks of conflict. My hands are cold. Conflict does licked off. Purple fire. Do it, Sigma Papi. He's teabagging my boy Sigma Papi. Oh, so it's black. It was black boy that teabagged my Sigma Papi. Easy. Cook. Huh? He's there, and I'm here. If you can, okay. I need you to see something. Sigma. Sigma Papi. My boy Sigma Papi is good. I don't know if that's supposed to be a thumbs up. I remember my boy. What other games can we cook emos in?
Yes.
I figured this game. I do not encourage anyone to do this in real life. I don't know. I don't want to get demonetized or striked. But please, that's it. Bruh, my battery's always running low when I'm recording. Oh God, the smell of vinegar just hit. Pepper. I'm never going into this house when my mother is cooking with pepper. Like, this just hurts my breath. Spin. You're not an emo. What? Bruh, I just spawned in. My name is Fishy and I just spawned in and I died to a crowbar because... Yeah. Which one? So I hate smoke. Is that? I wanna finish it. Okay. Oh, bacon! Oh, bacon. Oh, it's a hacker! Oh, I'm so glad I got that on recording. So, see? What the hell? No, I said we killed it. A hacker! Oh my! No, I just killed a hacker! Oh God! I'm watching what I do. A what? Oh my God! I hate hackers. Got a hacker. I don't want core blocks. So I don't want missing a leg. I like fresh bacon. Bacon. Bro, I will cook you right now. Any last words? I hate this kid. I hate you, monkey. Alright, go join my target now. Where's that kid? I swear I just spawned in.
She's such an ass. You never had that one sounding V8. This will run grandpa home after this class. 200 kilometers.
My Wi-Fi just hates me right now. Ah! Assisted Ohio meme 498. Now where is Gojo? Wow. Bruh. This is not surprising from a hacker. I killed hacker 2 times in a row. Into this ranked up to level 10. Okay, I guess that can prove it. Emo. Got the emo. And got killed by another fellow non-emo. Come But Warriors has to be one of my favorite games. And give me nice sense. Bro. Just fast respawn. This service chaos. Okay, I swear. Wait. Bruh! I can't stand in peace. Yes. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I know me. Bruh! Me and Robloxian are friends in it. I'm sending him a friend because I don't care. Where is he? Robloxian. Who killed Robloxian? Who killed Robloxian? Yeah, I killed Angel. No, it's Demon. He stole my kill, bro. Okay, bro. Hackers are annoying in any other game. Hackers are annoying in MVSD, the battlegrounds. Yes, I had to steal this. I didn't get the kill, so. Yes. I gotta get that to the hacker. Oh, got it, boy. Got it. Get it to the hacker. Bruh. I'm cooked. Please, give me 2 seconds. I'm cooked. Please. Can I hide in here safely? Oh my god, please. Oh my. I'm just getting followed everywhere. I'm coming for you, Zuhulu. I'm just watching the leaderboard. Where's Zuhulu? I want to cook Zuhulu. Robloxian! Gary. I have no arm, bro. It's just gonna hurt a guy with no arm. I mean, this guy, right? Who's a better one? Gah! I'm actually cooked. Please just kill me. I'm gonna drown myself. At least I don't get killed by my arch enemy. Spider Murundo. Got you. Oh my boy, Robloxian. Getting teamed up by hackers. Spider Murundo. Oh my god, hackers are annoying. Okay. Please just drown me. I'm going to run to the ocean. Okay. Bodies are annoying. He's cooked now. can't even spawn in. I haven't seen an emo in this server in a while. I mean, like, I've seen one, but okay.
Excuse me, I think your car.
I'm cooked. Please. Huh? Boxes are too high. Ohio me. Oh my god. Ah, god, I already hate kill stealers. Hitboxes. I swear I was here. He was like here. And I was like, he hit me from like 8 studs. So glad this thing was. What is this for? Oh, it's a bear trap. Ah!